Hi, my name is Barry Andersson. I'm a director of cinematographer, and today I want to talk to you about the Lowel Tota LED lights. As a matter of fact, the very first set of lights that I owned was the original Lowel Tota lights, and the reason I originally bought those is because I wanted something that was small, powerful, portable, and that was easy to use in a variety of environments. What I love about the LED version of them is they haven't stretched at all from that original thing. They come in a complete kit. That means not only do you get the light fixtures, you get stands, you get both the reflector and the diffusion umbrellas. And if you're running wall power, that's great, but their units are already adapted to have a V-mount plate. So if you have a V-mount battery, that means from day one, you're even that much more portable. You can run and gun, you can take these in studio, you can take them on location, you can travel with them. The build quality of the lights and the supporting parts are unbelievable. And that's really what is key in today's lighting environment. You need to be small, fast, portable, high output, and durable. What I've been loving about my current set is that I've used them to light press conferences, white backdrops for talking heads, interviews. I've been able to use them on short films. So just about any type of project that comes across my desk, I can confidently go out with these lights and feel like I'm gonna get and be able to control them in a way that I want. Another thing that's great is if you are a one-man band or if you're working on a location, say someone's office that's particularly small, what I love about these lights is they have modifiers such as the reflector or the diffusion umbrella, and they connect directly to the head of the light, which is attached to a stand, which means I only have to bring one stand, and when I want to move something, I'm not moving multiple things around an office or trying to find that square footage. I'm able to do it just with one hand. I can move it, drop it in place, and I'm ready to go. Another thing that's great is that you get the daylight version of these lights, which gives you far more output than a bicolor unit. And what's great is they have little clips already on the barn doors to put on your gels. And because the face isn't that big, you don't need that much gel, but you can go ahead and change the color temperature to whatever environment you're in very fast, very economically, and still maintain that high output so that you're actually being able to compete with things like the sun or other uncontrollable light sources in your environment. So if you want to go out and have maximum flexibility with your lights, you definitely want to check out the Lowel Tota LEDs. I think you'll be as pleased as I am with them.